Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable reachability, which means one-handed mode, on iOS 18. You can use one-handed mode to access all of your device's screen with just your thumb by going to Settings, then Accessibility, Touch, and enable reachability. Now, whenever you swipe down on the bottom edge of your screen, then it goes down and you can access it with your thumb. Click here to turn it back up. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.